Today you will learn how to be free from the emotional roller coaster that you experience during spiritual awakening journey. I teach these techniques to my students and they get immediate results, and you too can have that immediate freedom by applying these techniques and be in a high and positive energy when you are experiencing emotions, intense emotions. You are experiencing intense emotions in the form of fear, extreme fear. Suddenly from nowhere, you feel extreme fear. Suddenly you feel that fear has transmuted into anger, the energy of anger, guilt, shame, or extreme sadness. And these happen in moments, pretty fast. Suddenly you are high and suddenly you are low. And these all emotions are part of the cleansing process of the Kundalini or the spirit in you that you are experiencing, and not necessarily all the time these are associated with some thoughts or the trauma or the information that you know has happened in your life leading to this emotional roller coaster. So don't go into the cause and the suppression aspect in the form of thinking about it too much. You will not get any results by thinking about too much, because you must know that these emotional roller coaster has not come to you only from this birth. There could be karmic connections, there could be so many layers of these emotions coming from past birth. So if you want to be free, then apply these techniques and get free faster, faster, faster. And you will know that these techniques, whenever you apply, you get immediate results. And it is not a one-time technique to be applied. You need to apply it every time you experience such intense emotions coming up and you feel those emotions primarily blocked in your lower chakras. Lower three chakras are primarily blocked with lower energies: sadness, jealousy, anger, lust, fear, guilt, shame, blame. All these energies are lost in your lower three chakras. So this is the solar plexus. From this region to sacral chakra to your root chakra. So this region needs to be freed from these energies. So I will show you the first technique that you can apply, that you should apply immediately to be free from the energetic charge in the emotions. So the first technique is to release the trauma. Release the traumatic charge in the emotion that you are experiencing. So do like this, make cup of your fingers and hand and press this part of your diaphragm and press it here. This is your rib cage and this is your diaphragm. At the center of solar plexus, you need to do like this. So this is the first step. Second step is to release the extra charge of energy through exhalation in a forceful manner. So after doing this is the first step. Second step is to release through breath work and exhalation like this. If you feel like drinking water in between, you drink water and continue the technique. Keep pressing this part and release the part. In some time you will see that sweat is coming, and do it more until and unless you are free from the charge. Till that time you need to release this. Now once this is done, it is like starting your car which is sluggish, which is not working. Your body becomes sluggish due to this emotional roller coaster and you feel not to move. So the prime objective is to make you functional. How to do it? Infuse. First of all, take out all the apana, take out all the carbon dioxide and infuse prana. So first step will help in releasing all the extra charge of energy, the negative charge of energy, the apana in you, the smoky layer in you, the carbon dioxide in you and all the toxicity that makes you sluggish. But after just recharging your car with a jump start with the battery, you need to switch on the car and keep it on running mode for some time so that the engine gets recharged to run. Similarly, you need the fuel, the prana, the supply of oxygen for the cells to produce energy, and that you can do in the third step, and that is inhalation and exhalation in a fast way, and do it like this. First inhale slowly and then exhale slowly, but do it faster. And when you do this, burping comes. For me, the burping came. Similarly, some gases may release in the downward manner, and that also will help you. The next step is the fourth step. When you do this, you will feel certain amount of energy you have processed and you are feeling energetic than before. Do it with me while watching this video and you will feel the difference immediately. In between, you can keep on drinking some water. So, keep doing this throughout till you feel fresh and energetic. Now your car has been given, your vehicle, the body is your car. You have jump start your car. The engine is ready to move. Now how to move the engine? You can move the engine by this practical instinctive technique of brooming the house, and you should do it with long exhalation. So start doing long exhalation from your mouth like this. This is the fifth step. Take out the broom and start doing this, sweeping the floor, and keep doing long exhalation. You can sit also and do this same activity and it will be more beneficial to you. All your pelvic muscles, all your muscles in the thighs, in your legs, all these will be activated and you can do like this. So do this and you will feel instant recharge in your body, sweating will happen, all the toxicity will go away and there will be infusion of prana and oxygen in your body, making you free from all the emotional turmoil that you had experiencing. And you should know that these techniques are applicable every time you face the emotional turmoil. Spiritual awakening journey is a long process and it has no fixed and permanent solution to be free from the emotions until and unless you are enlightened, and after that you do post-enlightenment sadhana. So if you feel you need my help directly to work on you, then you can take my paid consulting and as well as join the projects through which I will work on you, with you, for you, exclusively. Because I am the only guru who will work for your transformation. So apply these techniques and get the results. And keep drinking water and be free. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.